Now, Bhavtosh Singh is exactly 15 or 20 meters away from me on the other side of this entire gate, gate number 5 of the Delhi High Court. Bhavtosh, if you could take us through what is the investigation that is going on as of now. I believe there is a stronger team of the NIA that has come with its infrastructure and equipment to carry out the investigation.
Yes, Ankit, in fact, from the visuals, you can see personnel from the NIA wearing their trademark blue jacket. They are standing there at the gate number 5. As of now, they are speaking to officers from the Delhi police, and they are trying to understand as to exactly what happened. It's the premier central government agency which goes to all the blast site. You can see at least 6 or 7 of their personnel are standing here, talking to Delhi police officers and also interacting with NSG bomb detection center official, trying to understand as to what has happened and whether this blast follows similar pattern as to what had happened in Mumbai and in other parts of the country in past 1 or 2 years.
Right, Bhavtosh Singh getting us all the latest details. Let's also listen in to a reaction coming in from the Delhi Chief Minister, Sheila Dikshit.
Madam, Sheila ji, ma'am, what is your reaction? Ma'am, what is your reaction? Ma'am, what is your डॉक्टर्स का क्या कहना है? डॉक्टर्स की आपसे बात हुई होगी मैडम, डॉक्टर्स का क्या कहना है?
देख रहे हैं इंडिविजुअली सबको ट्रीटमेंट मिल रहा है।
नहीं, हम ये पूछ रहे हैं इसलिए क्योंकि चोटों को देखे कई बार डॉक्टर बताते हैं कि किस तरह का रहा होगा।
कुछ के लिए टांग में है, इसको देख रहे हैं पूरा। इतना मैं इत्मीनान दिलाना चाहती हूँ, जो डॉक्टर्स को करना होगा वो कर रहे हैं और आगे
हाईकोर्ट
emergency section of the RML hospital where the injured have been brought. Several of them who are injured are behind me in this particular section. 9 people are already dead. Several of the injured, 6 grievously injured people have been taken in for an operation. This entire area is now being cordoned off. In fact, the police have also cordoned off the area. There was major chaos here a few minutes back. Also, rainfall is not making the things any easier. Several people who are here want to speak to their families. They're unable to do so because the doctors are not able to have a word with them. In this entire area, like you can see me, they are cordoning of the area. There are media people here as well as several families. Panicked people already attending here at this RML hospital where the maximum number of injured from the Delhi High Court have been brought. Clearly, this is the aftermath of the blast that took place at the Delhi High Court. With Mohan, I'm Riddhim Anand Bhardwaj in Delhi for Times Now.